Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Fitbit Sense 2, and not only that, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up with your phone. So let's start. Now, when you're gonna open it, you're gonna find the additional band on left side, then the charger, and then the watch here. So when you're gonna get the watch out, and you're gonna remove this thing here, then all you have to do is to hold for a few seconds this button right here, and then you will have to choose the language. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily change the band here. Changing the band is simple. So all you have to do is you're gonna have this thing here. All you have to do is press it, and then you can remove it. And then I'm going to choose this band right here, and all I have to do is just insert it into it like that, and we have the new band right here, which is longer. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily charge the band. So all you have to do is you're going to have the charger here, and I already opened it up. So then you just have to attach it from the side like this, and then you're just going to plug it and it's going to charge. So that's how the charging works. Now let me show you how you can easily set up the watch. So when you're going to turn it on, you're going to press English, and then to get started, get the Fitbit app on a phone. I already have it. So, and I can just see here Fitbit Sense 2 setup, because I already got the Fitbit app here. Okay. And now I just have to add my pairing code here. And it's connected. Okay, I'm going to pair. Allow. Not now. And then what we have to do is update it. And now it's downloading. So we'll have to wait for a while until it's going to get downloaded, and then we are going to continue. After like 15 minutes, the Sense 2 is updated right now, and I'm just going to press continue right now. So got it. Okay, not now. And then we're gonna just allow permissions. You can, of course, you don't have to allow it if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. And Bluetooth pairing. Okay, pair. Consent. And then how we can actually use it. So when we're gonna like swipe down, we're gonna have the quick panel here. Then when we go up, we're gonna have notifications here. A left or right, we're gonna have like a widget, like timer here, weather, so that's what you're gonna find there. And then when you're gonna press the side button, you're gonna have all your applications right here. Now when you're gonna long press, you can select an app or feature, and you can easily choose for shortcuts here. And then try it on. So all you have to do then is try it. And then you're gonna have some wear and care tips. And this is how you can have it. So yeah, that was pretty much the setup and unboxing. And now let me show you what you can actually find inside your app. So you're gonna have the steps here, the floors, the miles, Also the calories here. Then you're gonna have the stress management right here. And you will be logging your moods here. Then when we go even further, you're gonna have like wear your Fitbit to bed, track your mindfulness, track your exercise, health metrics here, and also the water. So that's pretty much about it. Now, I really like how simple it is and how effective it is. And this was pretty much the unboxing and the setup of the watch. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.